It.
I hope you like our videos. It's so simple and so delicious. It doesn't take really much time to prepare it. Super yummy, and it won't last longer. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Hello viewers, welcome to Soft Canvas. Thank you for joining us today. Today's recipe is going to be the most wanted kid snack, which is vanilla cupcake. Very easy to make, very simple. So I'm going to share it today. So for that I have taken here half cup of room temperature butter, and here I have taken half cup of sugar, and then we shall mix it on high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so I have here 2 room temperature 2 medium size egg that I'm going to add one after another. And mix it again. Okay, so now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's for flavor. 1 teaspoon is enough. So here I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour that I'm going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder with it. Mix well, and I will add this 1 cup of flour gradually along with milk. Okay, so you see that here it's a very sticky cake batter and it's perfect. Now I'm going to put it in on the cupcake tray, and I have some cupcake wrapper like this, and then put it in there. So you always need to make sure that you fill 2/3 of the cupcake portion, because it's gonna be fluffy and then it's gonna be increasing in size. Okay, just tap it a little bit just to make it flat. And then I will bake this 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 16 minutes. Alright, so I inserted the cupcakes tray in the oven, and in the meantime I'm going to make whipping cream. So here I have taken 1 cup of heavy cream. It has to be very cold. It's just come out from refrigerator. On a high speed, I'm going to whip it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so about 4 minutes I whipped it, and you see that it's really very thick and it started thick here. I'm going to add vanilla extract, just a half a teaspoon. Powdered sugar, 2.5 tablespoons, and I'm going to use gradually, not all at a time. First 1 tablespoon, mix well. Okay, so the whipping cream is ready. I used 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Now I'm going to put it into the piping bag. Alright, so freshly baked cupcakes just hot out of the oven. I recommend you wait at least 15 to 20 minutes to completely cool it down so that your icing or whipping cream sets really perfectly well. Okay, so the cupcakes that you see here, it's now completely in room temperature, and it's now good to put the icing or whipping cream on top of it. And for decoration, I have taken here some strawberries, that chocolate covered strawberries. I will leave the link in the description box for you guys to see how I made these. Okay, so now it's time to put icing on it. I hope you like our videos. It's so simple and so delicious. It doesn't take really much time to prepare it. Super yummy. Please let us know which decoration you like most, and also what could be the other way that we could do that. Send us at least a smiley in the comment section. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe and share our videos. Okay guys, you can start eating. That's the fun part.